Hey, forget about it. Just gets the JoeteckTips Instant Awesome rating. Hey, Hey guys, this is JoeTech from JoeteckTips. We're on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram, and I have another light for you. This one's going to be a little unique because it's actually designed in the United States of America. However, it is built in China. So this is weird. So they're trying to cut costs, but they designed it actually United States. So this is interesting. And this supposedly beats out every LED that I've ever reviewed in the history of everything. So we're going to check this out because I'm actually intrigued about getting it. Maybe you've seen it. It's TBI Pro RaLights. Now, this is one of those you hang up type of thing with the heads that move and everything. What's unique about this one, it has a QR code on the side. It's a real box. It's not an OEM, no frills. It's a cardboard box with lights in it. This looks like retail packaging, which is different. So we're going to check this out and see how well it really works. Just to verify what people say, if it's really good, it's really not. I keep honest people honest. So that's what I do. That's why JoeteckTips exists, for this purpose. So let's do the unboxing. Let's check this out. The instruction manual. And look at the size of it. It's huge. You can actually read it. It's not like a tiny little pen. Look, this is the instruction manual from my other lights. Look how small this thing is. That's a joke. You need a magnifying glass to read this. Look at the size of this thing. Extremely excited about this, so I'm dying to see how well this is. So I'm going to go ooh ah, I'm sure. Okay, mounting. Wow. Holy macaroni. This is pretty strong. Alright, so this is very similar design to those other two LED, that 2-pack that I did. I'll have a link up here if you want to check it out. But this is very similar. So just so you could see, you could twist it like this, and you have some motion with it. The amount of LEDs in this is a lot. Look how many there are. I mean, I'm not sure if you know what? I'll have close-up pictures of this so you can see. So this seems to be impressive so far. Okay, we have this thing taken apart, and guess what? It will get the JoeteckTips Instant Awesome rating. This is interesting. This must be a common size battery. This is another 2200 milliamp 18650 battery. And it's user replaceable. So that is awesome. It's just 6 screws that come off, and this is built very, very well. I'm impressed. The solar panel connections and everything, I'll have pictures. You're going to love this. It's so minimal. So the brain of this thing is behind the LED. This is strictly just the battery and the solar panel, and that is it. None of the electronics are in this. So if you wanted to, you could actually pre-charge this in a charger, and then if you want to do that, that's what I would do. I would take this, pop it in a charger, charge it, stick it in this, and then use it, because then the solar panel could keep this thing fully charged. So now we're going to check out the capability. So this definitely gets the JoeteckTips Instant Awesome rating, hands down, just because of the battery. So if this thing dies within a couple of years from now, you can take it apart, replace it, and your light is back in business. Hey, forget about it. Just gets the JoeteckTips Instant Awesome rating. Hey, All right, so let's check out the light capability. So that's doing pretty well, considering. That's not bad at all. That's the she shed. The he shed is over there, but this is the she shed. So we're waiting for the lights to go dim so you can see the difference. It's pretty cool how those things spread out. So that's dim, so you can clearly see the brightness of the light. So let's see how quick this thing detects us. I'm going to walk right up to it and see. It said 40 feet. Alright, so that's interesting. I'm much closer than 40 feet. Well, actually, probably close. I went over here. Up there it goes. Detected me now. It's a great light. It's really, really good. I'm very impressed with it. I like the fact that there's no playing around with the settings. It's just 30-second timer and it's off. And that's that. Let's go back inside. And again, look at the size of this manual. Pretty impressive. It's called, what the hell is this thing called? This is called the TBI Pro. Great light. So guys, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. And if you're not a subscriber, please subscribe. Take care, and we'll see you next time.